In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create recovery partition on Windows 11 computer. Before create the recovery partition, I need to create a 1 GB volume beside C drive. To create the volume, right click on the start menu and click on disk management. I have to make some space from the C drive. Right click on C drive and click on shrink volume. I need only 1 GB. That means I have to type here 1024 MB 1024 MB. That means 1 GB. 1 GB space is good enough for recovery partition. Now click on shrink. The space is unallocated. Now right click on the unallocated space. Click on new simple volume. Click on next and next, 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 next. The volume is formatted. Now insert type CMD. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Before creating recovery partition, you need to disable reagent C drive. Type reagent C / disable. Hit enter. The reagent is disabled. Type diskpart to enter into the diskpart utility. Hit enter. Now type list disk 0. Type select disk 0. Disk 0 is selected. Now type list partition and here you'll find the partition number 4, that means 1 GB. This one, partition number 4, 1 GB. I want to create this partition as recovery partition. Now type select partition 4. Hit enter. Partition 4 is selected now. Type set ID equal to, I will give this ID in description so that you can use it. Now hit enter. Diskpart successfully set the partition ID. Now type GPT attribute equal to, type the attribute number here. I will give this attribute number in description. This attribute number is for recovery partition. Now hit enter. Diskpart successfully assigned the attribute to the selected GPT partition. Now I'm going to check. Look, the drive is now set as recovery partition. Now type list volume, hit enter. This one is the recovery partition. That's why you will find here start. That means right now I am in this volume and the volume letter is E, and you need to hide this volume letter. Now type select volume E, hit enter. Volume 2 is selected. Type remove letter equal to E, hit enter. Diskpart successfully removed the drive letter or the mount point. That means user cannot access this recovery partition by using the drive letter. Now type exit to exit from the diskpart, and now in command prompt type reagent C / enable. Now hit enter. The reagent operation successful. Whole process is completed. This is the easiest way to create recovery partition on Windows 11 computer.